right, we're walking across the street to Bally's now. Go do a walkthrough. Let's see how well this is. I gotta lock it in here and not get like, sir, you can't record in here. Yes, I can. I could do anything I want recording. Just kidding, I'm gonna cut that out. Or will I? Bally's.
We'll have to honor their rules. We are on their property.
We are on their property, but then, you know, our viewers like to see it, so we have to do it.
We have to?
We're risking our lives right now to record for your pleasure. We are risking our Bally's and we're risking getting kicked out. What is this? It's a suspense video. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the sports book area right when you come inside. Let's see. Nice. Okay. Go up. Ooh.
Less people.
Yeah, smoky. Very smoky. Opal. Not sure. Okay.
Oh, it's a club.
Let's go get a player's card to see. Yeah. Oh, there's our machines.
Where?
Over there.
That's blackjack.
Bubble craps. I see it from
Right
across the
there.
casino. Yeah. Let's go walk in here. Where do we get our card? Cashier. I guess you get it over there. Where's the cashier? I guess we, yeah, let's check.
Look over there. It's Ciera Steak Chophouse, Nightclub, restroom, and cigar shop. It's not like we're gonna go, but
Yeah. Let me try to fix this camera real quick. Okay. Tighten it. Good. Snaps. All right, here we go. Don't mind my sniffling. Oh, they have a cigar bar over there. Yeah, that's what it said.
we have a cigar shop.
Cigar shop. Okay. So we walked in that way. I'm gonna walk through the slot machines over here first. I don't think I've ever been in this casino. Well, I haven't had a card here, so I haven't been here before.
Oh, they changed it, right?
Yeah.
Look, the piggy.
Bar right there. Rake and Bacon NFL machine. Wait, they have it?
Yeah. Oh, half
Okay. Because the new one is the Huff and Even More Puff. Lightning Link. Oh, they have a lot more over there. Wow. So there's the bar in the middle. Bar in the middle. Performing area. Walk to the other side. Front desk to check in. excuse that. Table games. So they have the shoot to win table craps game, the electronic one here too. Ooh, it's gonna pop. This casino is small.
Yeah.
High limit slots right there. Okay, cool. Oh, that was the high limit area. Interesting. That was the high limit. It's cooking. Table games in the middle. Yeah. $3 minimum. See, so they have the shoot, roll the win electronic craps. Figure it out? No?
Yeah.
Wait, you won 20? Oh, free play?